If you want a college degree because it's going to unlock career doors, get you the pay raise that you deserve, but you don't want to spend 4 years earning a college degree, guess what? There are better ways to earn the exact same degrees just in way less time. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to earn 120 college credits. Yes, that is a full 4-year college degree in 120 days. And if you want proof, I just helped Laura do the same full bachelor's degree in just 4 months. I just helped Godwin, who started with 17 college credits, earn the remainder or the last 100 credits of his degree in just 2 months. I just helped Joe earn a bachelor's degree in 4 months. I just helped Nikki, who already had an associate's degree, earn the second 2 years of a bachelor's degree in just 8 weeks. I just helped Victoria, who also had an associate's degree, earn the remainder of her bachelor's degree in just 10 weeks. And Herbert earned his bachelor's degree in 4 months and then his master's degree in just 62 days. This is not about a pipe dream. It is about a different system and a different process that works. Now, if you want a degree fast, just subscribe to the channel. You'll see more videos just like this, but let's dive in. The first thing you need to do, step away from the traditional college system. And yes, there are loopholes within the system that let you go at your own pace. But when we talk about the college system, I'm talking about the traditional homework and lesson plans and study guides and lectures and quizzes and textbooks and all the things that we hate about college. Well, guess what? All of those learning resources, they're outdated and they don't work very well. We're in a day of AI and YouTube and search engines. Why in the world are we opening up textbooks to learn? So we want to find college programs that let us go at our own pace so that we can learn outside of their system. And just that key alone, if you just watch this video and leave, you might save a year of college, but let's help you save a couple of more years. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find college programs that actually let you go at your own pace. And there are really prestigious college programs that allow you to do this. Now, first, let's talk about one of the most popular self-paced degree options. Western Governors University has been around since before Google, and all of their degrees are fully self-paced. They've got business, tech, health and nursing, education degrees, and they charge a flat rate of like $4,000 every 6 months. And guess what? If you graduate in 6 months, that's literally all you pay for the degree. Go apply for a government grant, which might pay for all of that. You earn a degree, no money out of pocket. Now, if you want some more prestigious schools, the University of Kansas just dropped what they're calling their Jayhawk Flex programs. They're fully self-paced degrees. You walk away with a degree from the University of Kansas. The University of Wisconsin is offering what they call their flexible option programs or their flex programs. And again, they're fully self-paced. They've got an associate's degree, some bachelor's degrees. They even have a nursing degree. Or Purdue University has their Purdue Global branch, which is 100% online. And they have what are called their Excel Track programs. Again, 100% self-paced. There are a lot of other schools with programs like this, but the moral of the story is step one is you need to find programs that allow you to move at your own pace, because that allows you to proceed with step two of this process. Step two is what I call going rogue, and it's pretty simple. When the school gives you homework assignments and quizzes and textbooks and resources to help you learn, instead of using those resources, you're going to figure out what you need to learn, and you're going to learn it with modern tools. You're going to use AI. You're going to use YouTube videos and any tool that you use right here, right now, today to learn something new. When you want to learn something new, what do? Do you drive to the library and check out a textbook? No, you probably pull your phone out of your purse or out of your pocket, or you sit down at your computer and you hit the internet. Well, guess what? You can learn college level curriculum the same way. Now, a lot of you right now are thinking, well, you can't learn 4 years of curriculum in just 4 months. Or maybe even I can't learn this material myself. There's no way. Universities are filled with amazing teachers and amazing curriculum. There's no way you can learn outside the system. Well, let me tell you why that's wrong. Let's talk about what I call the bar exam paradox. Now, the bar exam is one of the most challenging exams on the planet. It's the test that you have to pass to become a lawyer. Essentially, it's a big exam that students have to go sit in front of proctors, take this large exam, and if they pass, they are certified as a lawyer. Well, here's the crazy thing. Most lawyers will tell you that the bar exam was more challenging than their entire master's degree. But master's degrees on average take almost 3 years. But the more challenging bar exam, the average study time to pass the bar exam is just 8 to 12 weeks. How in the world can a future lawyer spend 8 to 12 weeks studying for a more challenging exam than their entire master's degree? It only takes 8 to 12 weeks. Well, here's the difference. They know exactly what they need to study to prepare for the bar exam. But the traditional school structure is not that way. Schools don't tell you what they're going to teach you. They don't tell you what you're going to learn. They don't tell you what information you need in your brain. What they do is they sit you down in a classroom or in a virtual classroom and they say, all right, we're going to start with lesson number 1. And 6 months later or 4 months later, however the school is structured, you finally took the last lesson and you learned the last concept. Well, what if you just had a big list of what you needed to learn in front of you? Could you then take that list and go and learn each principle across the internet using modern tools? The answer is yes, and that's what I've been helping students do for a long time. This video is all about showing you and convincing you there is a better way. You can go earn your degree in months instead of years, and it is incredible. It's an amazing opportunity. Now, here is the coolest part. You obviously can't sit 4 years worth of time in a classroom in 4 months. You need online self-paced programs to be able to do that. Well, for a long time, online programs were looked down upon. Online school is not the same as traditional brick and mortar education, but one thing changed everything, and that one thing is the pandemic. What happened was everyone started getting sick, and what did universities do by law? They had to close their doors, and they were no longer allowed to have students on campus for almost a full year. Imagine how much money these universities are losing if they just push pause on school for a year. What did the schools do? They established and dumped tons of money into online programs, and they took their same brick and mortar curriculum and they structured it into online programs. And now, like 95% of employers don't care if you got the degree online or in the school because times have changed. It's just different now. So if you find these high-level programs and then you go self-paced, you self-study, figure out what you need to learn and learn it, guess what? You can go through a whole lot faster and you can save tens of thousands of dollars. Instead of $50,000 to $100,000 for a college degree, you're talking $4,000 to $12,000 for a full degree if you go fast enough. And guess what? Scholarships and grants, it's really easy to get funding for $4,000 to $12,000. It's really hard to get funding for $100,000, okay? So you can be a normal student, pay nothing out of pocket, and get degrees in months and not years. Now, I help students do this all the time. I have a program called Degree Hacking Academy. I'm going to leave a link to some information about the program down below in the description if you're interested. And if you want to just learn from more videos like this, just click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But I'll leave info down below if you want my help doing it. Hope this video has added value to your day. Have a wonderful day. Go get a fast degree, save time, save money. I'll talk to you in the next video.